Okay? It gets a little more complicated, but it's nothing that y'all haven't seen before. Okay? So number 2. Okay, number 2. You got x squared plus 3x minus 2 over x plus 5, x minus 2, okay, plus 4x plus 12 over x plus 5, x minus 2. Okay? Okay? It looks like a complicated problem. It's really not complicated at all. Okay? It's really not complicated at all. You got that done already? Veronica, you got it done? No? Okay. Good. Okay, so first thing you do, okay, when you see a rational function, a rational expression plus or minus another rational expression, okay, you look at the denominators. If they are the same, okay, you can highlight them or you can circle them, so you know that you're done with them and they're the same. Okay, so these two are the same. Oops. All right, so I'm just going to write it out right here. X plus 5, x minus 2. Okay? Now, this is your A, this whole thing right here. That's your A, and this is your B. Okay, and you just got to add them together. Right, so up here again, A plus B, you add them together. Okay, so I'm going to write it all out. So x squared plus 3x minus 2, this is a positive 4, so plus 4x plus 12. Write it all the way out. All right. Now all you gotta do right now, okay, I'm gonna draw, this is gonna go all the way to the front. We're going up here, equals, okay. We're gonna combine all our like terms on top here. Like I said, your denominator is already set, so you can just write that out first. X plus 5, x minus 2. And I gotta combine all my like terms on this side, okay. There's no other x squared anywhere in here, so you can write that one down. So you have x squared. So I'm going to cross it off when I'm done with it. Okay? Now I'm going to look at my x's. So there's a positive 3x and a positive 4x. Okay, so 3 plus 4, that gives me positive 7x. I'm done with that one. I'm done with that one. Okay, I'm left with a negative 2 and a positive 12. That gives me a plus 10. Okay, like I said, I just combined all my terms over here that are the same. So x squared didn't have any like terms. There was 3x and a 4x, so I combined them to 7x. And then there's a negative 2 and a positive 12, so I combined them to a positive 10. Okay? But we are not done at this point. Okay, so you got to this point. Now, you can still break this down. You can still factor it out. Okay? Right? So if you remember your box method, okay, you have your box method right here. Right? And we're trying to figure out the factors of your numerator. Okay, trying to figure out the factors of your numerator. Okay, so you got your box method, you got your x's, okay, your 10 goes in this box, and x squared goes here. Okay, we're trying to figure out the factors of 10 that equal 7. Okay, factors of 10 that equal 7. Okay, 2 times 5 would work perfectly. 2 times 5 will give you 7. Okay, so I'm going to write up here, x and 2, x and 5. Okay, so those are the two factors of your trinomial. Okay, so I have, now I'm going to just write it out. Okay, so I factor them out. So I got x plus 5, x plus 2 over x plus 5, x minus 2. Okay, so I'm right here now. So now when you have, your numerator has the same factor as your denominator, they can cancel each other out. Okay, it can cancel each other out. So I can cancel the x plus 5 and the x plus 5. Right? And all I'm left with is, sorry, you can't really see it now, but it's going to be x plus 2 over x minus 2. Okay, right there, x plus 2 over x minus 2. Okay, that's what you're left with, and that's your answer. All right, so if you have a trinomial in your numerator, okay, you have a trinomial in your numerator, you can factor it out, and then you can see if anything cancels out. That's how you simplify it all the way down.